In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a task in Asana. Asana is a powerful project management tool, and being able to organize and delegate tasks effectively is key to enhancing productivity. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps needed to assign tasks seamlessly. Once you're logged into Asana, you're ready to assign a task. If you haven't created a task yet, you'll want to start by creating one or maybe even a subtask. This part is crucial because it sets the foundation for everything else. You want to make sure that the task is thoroughly detailed so that whoever is picking it up knows precisely what needs to be done. You'll begin by filling in the necessary details such as the task description, the due date, and any attachments that might be required. These elements help provide clear instructions and context for the task at hand, making it easier for your team to follow through effectively. After you've created and detailed your task, you'll notice there's a right-hand details pane that appears when you click on the task. Click inside this space to view the task's full information. This is where you'll assign the task. Look for the field labeled Assignee. This is straightforward, but it's an incredibly powerful feature. When you click on it, you'll see an option to assign the task to multiple people. This is particularly useful if the task requires collaboration or input from more than one of your team members. To assign the task, simply type in the names or email addresses of those you want to involve. As you type, Asana may offer suggestions based on your contacts or team members who are already in your Asana workspace. This can save you time and ensure accuracy. Double-check the names or emails to make sure you're assigning the task to the right individuals. It's always good to be sure about this one last detail. Once you're confident about the selections, go ahead and click the Assign button. And there you have it. You've successfully assigned a task or even multiple copies of a task to your team members, ensuring everyone involved is on the same page and accountable. Assigning tasks correctly not only streamlines your workflow, but also fosters a collaborative environment where everyone knows their role and responsibilities. It's a vital step in keeping your project on track. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped demystify the process of assigning tasks in Asana. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore Asana's support resources or leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more productivity tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy task managing.